Welcome to our comparison of two powerful graphics cards from XFX, the Speedster SWFT319 and the Quicksilver RX 9070. Both cards boast impressive specifications, including 16 GB of GDDR6 memory. But they cater to different segments of the gaming market. In this video, we will dive into their features, performance metrics, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The XFX Speedster SWFT319 is priced at $459, making it an attractive option for gamers on a budget. In contrast, the XFX Quicksilver RX 9070 comes with a higher price tag of $789, reflecting its position as a premium offering in the market. While the Speedster provides excellent value for its performance, the Quicksilver aims to deliver top-tier capabilities for serious gamers willing to invest more. When it comes to performance, the Speedster SWFT319 offers a boost clock of up to 2105 MHz, which is impressive for 1440p gaming. However, the Quicksilver RX 9070 boasts a higher boost clock of up to 2700 MHz, making it a better choice for 4K gaming and demanding applications. Both cards feature 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, ensuring they can handle modern gaming titles with ease. But the Quicksilver's architecture and clock speeds give it an edge in high-performance scenarios. Both graphics cards are designed with efficient cooling solutions. The Speedster SWFT319 features a triple-fan cooling system that provides adequate airflow during intense gaming sessions. On the other hand, the Quicksilver RX 9070 is equipped with an advanced triple-fan cooling solution that not only enhances airflow, but also minimizes noise levels, making it ideal for gamers who prioritize a quiet gaming environment. This difference in cooling technology may influence your choice depending on your gaming setup and preferences. In conclusion, both the XFX Speedster SWFT319 and the XFX Quicksilver RX 9070 have their unique strengths. The Speedster offers great value for budget-conscious gamers, while the Quicksilver caters to those seeking high-end performance. Consider your gaming needs and budget when making your choice. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.